All right, I'm really excited. This inflatable projection screen just arrived, and I've been waiting for this to be able to put it up because I want to do outdoor movie nights at my house. So this is going to be a fun thing. Let's go check it out and see how it comes together. When receiving a new product like this, I always find it's really good to be able to look at the instruction manual to make sure that you have a good understanding of how it works. This one came with all the parts necessary for a successful setup, and it was really easy to make that happen. This thing was really easy to be able to attach the screen to the frame on this, just these little clips here, so really nice and easy to be able to do that. We connected the frame to the pump here. There's not an on and off switch on the pump, so once you plug it in, then it'll be ready to inflate. So we'll go ahead and plug this thing in. The fan took almost no time at all to be able to inflate this. It's really quiet. I'm standing here next to it, and you know, if you're sitting in front of the movie screen with the sound on for the movie, you're not going to hear this fan blowing. That's really nice. But it inflated so beautifully. Look at this thing. This thing looks fantastic. 14-foot screen here, inflates very good. It does come with guy lines to be able to string it out so that you don't have to worry about it blowing around, because definitely on a windy day, this thing could catch flight. So it's definitely a good idea to strap it down. Inside the box, it also comes with a bag so you can repack it into this bag here. And then it also comes with the guy lines to be able to strap it down. So this is really exciting. I am thrilled to put this to the test later today.
Dive in movie night!